Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone will be fine and good. And this is your ma'am Seema Malini from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to continue with the topic nature bounty. So in this today we are going to see one topic. That topic is about, see this one and tell me what topic it will be. Yes, very good. It's about fruits. So today our topic is about fruits. Before that, do you know what is the meaning of fruit? What is a fruit? It's very good. It is one part of the plant. And the next is, yes, somebody is saying that. Yes, I will say you. So it is helpful to grow the next plant. So fruit அப்படின்றது next ஒரு plant வந்து grow ஆகிறதுக்கு helpful-ஆ இருக்கும். Why? Because it has a seed in it. So fruit la seed இருக்கிறதால next இன்னொரு plant வந்து generate ஆக useful ஆகும். So here the fruits are divided into three main things, three main divisions. So one is that is a single, S-I-N-G-L-E, single fruit. And the next is aggregative, A-G-G, G-E, G-A-T-E, aggregate. And next one is multiple, M-U-L-T-I-P-L-E, multiple. See, I will say the difference between these three things. So single is nothing but, first of all you should know that the fruit is a fleshy part. Fruit அப்படின்றது ஒரு fleshy part அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அது எப்படி இருக்கும்னா நல்லா இருக்கும். So vegetable is, it has a harder, it will be a harder. But in the case of fruit, it will be very pulp and it will be very fleshy. எப்படி இருக்கும்னா நல்லா fleshy-ஆ இருக்கும். அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா fruits அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். So in the fruits is divided into three main divisions: single, aggregate and multiple. Single is nothing but the seed which has only one seeded. So one seeded மட்டும் வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்லக்கூடாது, single னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. எப்படின்னா, before that we get a fruit, the plant will leave the flower, is right? ஃப்ளார் வரும் இல்லையா, அந்த ஃப்ளாரில் ஒரே ஒரு ஃப்ளாரில் இருந்து நமக்கு ஒரு ஃப்ரூட் கிடைச்சிது அப்படின்னா அது வந்து சிங்கிள் ஃப்ரூட் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, வாட் தட் இஸ் அ சிங்கிள் ஃப்ரூட். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் அ aggregate. Aggregate இஸ் நத்திங் பட் நிறைய பூ இருக்கும், அதாவது ஒரு பூக்களி கொஞ்சம் இதுவாக இருக்கும், மல்டிபிள்ஸாக இருக்கும். அதில் இருந்து நமக்கு ஒரு ஃப்ரூட் நமக்கு கிடைச்சிது அப்படின்னா இட் இஸ் அ aggregate. And multiple is nothing but only one flower but it gives a many fruit in it. So it will become under the multiples. And not only that, இது இல்லாம நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா ஃப்ரூட் எப்படியும் பிரிக்கலாம்னா dry fruits அப்படின்னு நம்ம கூட பிரிக்கலாம். Okay, let's see one by one for this example of a single, aggregate and the multiples. Let's see the example fruits for this aggregate. So first நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், single சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, அப்போ single fruitsக்கான example நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போறோம். See, listen here, what is this? Yes, spell and tell it. M-A-N-G-O. What is that? Yes, right, very good. That's a mango. So what's the spelling of mango? Shall we write here? Right? M-A-N-G-O, mango. Okay, now see the image of this mango here. I will show you. See, this is the image of mango. So everyone likes mango, is right? So it's our what? A natural fruit. What national fruit? It's our national fruit. So mango is our national fruit. It's very sweet. It is a seasonal fruit. Season time only we get this fruit. And let's see the next fruit. For example, for single fruit here. Okay, fine. What is this? Spell it G-O-O-S-E, goose. B-E-R-R-Y, berry, gooseberry. So gooseberry is a single fruited. Let's write the spelling of this gooseberry here. So G-O-O-S-E, gooseberry. B-E-R-R-Y, gooseberry. So gooseberry has more vitamin A in it. They will say the example, one proverb is there, one apple one gooseberry is equal to 4 apples. So, ஒரு gooseberry நம்ம சாப்பிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா it's equal to 4 apples. So, gooseberry is nothing but, you all see in the Tamil name, what's the Tamil name for this gooseberry? See here and tell me. Yes, very good. Nellikai சொல்வாங்க. Not only that, it has another name also. It is known as amla. Okay? It is very good for your hair growth. And let's see the next one now. Example of a single fruit. So, what is this? A-P-P-L-E. What is that? Apple. Let's write. What is that? Apple. Let's write the spelling of apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. There are 2 colors of apples are available in our market. Let's see what are the 2 colors. Do you know what are the 2 colors are there? Yes, red and green. So, green apple is there and red apple is also there. So, it will be very helpful for your what? To less our cholesterol. So, green apple is very helpful to less our cholesterol, and red apple is very good for our blood increasing. And see the next one. What is that? CHIKOO. CHIKOO. Let's write now. What is the spelling of CHIKOO? C-H-I-K-O-O. CHIKOO. Do you know what is the Tamil name for CHIKOO? I will say you. In Tamil they will say has a sapota, right? So, name of this sapota in English is CHIKOO. It is also very good for your blood increasing. So, it has a more, it will increase a more blood content in your body. Let's see the next one. What is this? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange is right. So, right here O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. So, orange is one of the citric fruit. What fruit? Citric fruit. So, let's see the image. So, this is the image of the orange. It has a more citric acid in it. So, it is helpful to glow our skin. And the next is G-R-A-P-E-S. What is that one? S, right. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. What? G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. So, grapes are very helpful for your kidney. It will refresh your kidney. Kidney oda function na, it will filter the water, right? So, this will helpful for you to maintain the kidney. So, let's see the image of the grape. See here, this is the image of the grape. We have 2 colors of grape. One is a black grape and another one is a green grape is also available, but black grape is more medicinic power than a green grape. So, next is, see, G-U-A-V-A. What? G-U-A-V-A. What is that one? G-U-A-V-A means? Yes, very good. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Children, how many of you like guava? Yeah, yes, very good, superb. It is very, very helpful to maintain the diabetic. When your parents is getting a diabetic is nothing but sugar அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா parents-க்கு, you refer them to eat this guava more. And not only your parent, your grandparent will get this more than your parent. So, நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க, grandpa and grandma கிட்ட eat this, it will reduce your, it will maintain your sugar level, diabetic. Okay, fine. Let's see the image of this guava here. So, this is the image of guava. Outer it will be green, inside some may have a white color, some may have a red in color. Okay, fine. So, next is see, M-U-S-K, musk, M-E-L-O-N, melon, muskmelon. Muskmelon, let's write now. M-U-S-K, muskmelon, M-E-L-O-N, muskmelon. In Tamil we will say has a kirni palamis, right? It has a more carbohydrate in it. So, it is helpful to increase our energy level. Energy level nalla namakku maintain pandradhukku idu vandu use agum. It is one of the seasonic fruit. It will get only in the summer season. And the next is B-A-N-A-N-A, banana is, let's write now, write the spelling, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Let's see the image of this. So there are 3 varieties of banana is there. One is a yellow, green and red is also available. So my dear children, do you know one speciality of this banana? I will say you, don't know, I will say you. So banana ku vandu seed kediyadu. Ipo ithana nama paathittu vandom illaya fruit, it has a fruit. It has a seed in it. But this fruit doesn't have a seed. It will be grown by the plant. Ipo and the valamaram vandu valarumbodhe pakkathula innoru oru chedi vandrum. That is the speciality of this banana tree. And let's see the next one. See, what is this? It is a green in color. Yes, what is that? Spell it W-A-T-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. So, in the name itself, we know that it has some speciality in that. It has more rich in water content. Watermelon lande namakku theriyudhu, adula nariya enna irukku, water content nariya irukku appdinu solittu. Let's write the spelling of this here. W-A-T-E-R, watermelon. M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. Let's see the image of this. This is the image of watermelon. In the inside, there's 3 colors here. Green is outer face, it has a green. Inside it has a white. Inside it has a red in color. So this is the image of the watermelon. What content is more here? Water content. Very good. It is a seasonic fruit also. Let's see the next one. So children, these all are example for which category? Yeah, 3 category I say that. One is a simple, another one is aggregate and another is a multiple, right? These all are belong to single. Inno நம்ம single லே தான் நம்ம போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஒரே ஒரு flower விட்டு ஒரு fruit வர்றது நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். Next is the, what is this one? D-A-T-E-S. What? D-A-T-E-S. Dates. Do you know what type of fruit this is? In the single itself, it has subdivided into 2. One is a fleshy, another one is a dry fruit. Yes, right? This is belong to dry fruit. Nama single fruit solrilla, adliye vandu 2 nama pirikalam. One vandu fleshy, one vandu dry appdinu solliட்டு. So the dates is come under dry fruit. Let's see the image of this. In the dates, we have 2 types of date. One is normal date, another one is a black date. Black date contain more iron. What? Iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. Iron means in Tamil they will say as a irumbu chaktu. Okay? Fine. Let's see the next one. Say here. R-A-I-S-I-N-S. What is? Raisins. Raisins. R-A-I-S-I-N-S. Raisins. What is the raisins? It's a different name, right? Yeah, you all in the kitchen, mom will use this fruit for your dessert. Dessert is nothing but in the Tamil they will say has a payasam solvanga illaya. That she will use. What is that one? Yeah, yes. In normal we will say has a dry grapes, is right? The name of the dry grapes is raisins. Okay? எப்படி வந்து அது உனக்கு வந்து raisins ஆகும் அப்படினா இங்க பாருங்க எப்படி வந்து. So இங்க பாருங்க எப்படி அந்த fruit வந்து எப்படி ஆகுது, ரொம்ப dry ஆகி தான் என்ன ஆகும், நமக்கு கிடைக்கும் at last is we get this dry grapes. So this is a black and this is in the white. So it is also rich in iron. This is one is rich in iron. What is the spelling of iron? I-R-O-N. I-R-O-N. Iron. And not only that, it will increase our immunity power and maintain our airs. Restless, நம்ம restless நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு ஏதாவது நல்ல சுறுசுறுப்பா இருக்கிறதுக்கு it will be very useful. So the next is, so my dear children, till this raisins, it's all under the single fruit type. It's a single fruit type. Next we are going to see about the type of aggregate. What is the spelling of aggregate? A-G-G-R-E-G-A-T-E. Aggregate. So aggregate அப்படினும்போது என்னன்னா multiple fruitsல இருந்து நமக்கு ஒரு fruit கிடைக்கும். So raspberry is example for this. Raspberry. What is the spelling of raspberry? Let's write now. Say R-A-S-P. Raspberry. B-E R-R-Y, berry. Do you see that fruit? I will show you. So this is the image of this raspberry fruit. So idhula vandu nalliya namakku nalla iron ellame namakku irukku. Let's see the next one, the example for the agri. So next is blueberry. What? Blueberry. Let's write the spelling here. Blueberry. B-L-U-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry. So let's see the image of the blueberry. I think you people will not see the image of this blueberry, yes, right? This is a blueberry. Most of us, we like one thing, in that flavor, in that we have this flavor. What is that you all like? Yeah, yes, right, ice cream. You all eat the blueberry flavor. It is very fantastic, yes, right? Yeah, yes, that only, this blueberry only they are using there. So next is, see, all like this. What is this? What? Yeah, yes, strawberry. Let's try the spelling of strawberry here. S-T-R-A-W, straw, berry, B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. Do you all see this image? So this is the image of the strawberry. See here, I see you know one multi-flower, it getting one fruit. You can see here. So inga pathina ungalku eppadi irukku, inga vandu multiple seeds irukliya. It's right. The same thing, the blueberry and raspberry also have. So adanal da vandu idu edula nama vandu separate pannirukanga, aggregate abindra fruit type la idu separate pannirukanga. And not only that, it will glow our face. Helpful. So it help to glow our face. And the next is, so see here, what is the next? It's right, pineapple. Now we are going to see about the multiple. So multiple அப்படின்றது வந்து என்னன்னா ஒரு ஃப்ளவர்ல இருந்து நமக்கு நிறைய fruit வந்து கிடைக்கும். The first example is that pineapple. P I N E, pine, apple, A P P L E, apple. It is very good for our kidney. So let's see this image. This is the image of the pineapple. So idhula vandu namakku eppadi irukku, different nariya iruka, ingala seed thane, idella vandu seed appdi solli solvaanga. See here, ada kaano. So listen here, this all the seeds inga irukliya, idella vandu seed varakudiya place, but இந்த pineapple ku vandu fruit vandu irukadu. So adanal this is called as a multiple. So next is jackfruit. What is that? Jackfruit. J A C K, jack, F for U-I-T, fruit. Why I am saying jackfruit in multiple means we have a plenty of fruit inside it. So this illa eppadi irukku, nariya fruits iruka, some separate iruka, single fruit. So adnala da nama enna solrona, multiple appdin solrom. Nariya pulps nariya irukliya, nariya fleshy fruit inside, so that we calling that as a multiple. Okay, fine. So next, see the next one. So next is a custard apple. Right now, C-U-S-T-A-R-D, custard apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, custard apple. Custard apple in Tamil we call as Sita paramis, right? This is also multiple. I will show you why it is a multiple. See, இப்படி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, inside இப்படி இருக்கும், பல்பா இருக்குமா, some seeds out there is right, like நம்ம இப்போ இது jackfruit பார்த்த மாதிரியே தானே இருக்கும் அதுலயும். ஸோ அதனால இதை வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா மல்டிபிள் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So let's see the next one. Next is a, what is this? FIG, fig, right? FIG, fig. It is our state fruit. Fig வந்து தமிழ்நாட்டோடைய fruit அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So it is a, in Tamil we will call this as a attipalamis, right? It is also multiple fruit type. So I will show you why it is. So listen here. So இங்க பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்கு, இங்க வந்து என்ன இருக்கு, seeds இருக்கு இல்லையா, right? Seeds இருக்கு, ஆனா இருக்கு, அதை சுத்தி நம்ம பல்ப் இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ அதெல்லாமே நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா மல்டிபிள் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். So my dear children, you all learn it very well, the types of fruits. So type of fruits na ella fruit nama type nu solla kudadu, adula vandu classification irukku. We saw a 3 classification in the fruit. One is a what? Yes, very good, single. Second is aggregate and multiple. Yes, these are the main classification of the fruit. In that we saw different types of fruits, right? So single na ஒரே ஒரு seed மட்டும் இருக்காதுல, அதுலயும் இருக்கும், ஆனா fleshy-ஆ இருக்கும். Fruitsனாவே நமக்கு நல்லா fleshy-ஆ இருக்கும். Single-னா ஒரு seed இருக்கலாம், இல்ல 4 or 6 இருக்கலாம். Aggregate அப்படின்னா அதாவது ஒரு பூல இருந்து நமக்கு பழம் வந்துச்சுன்னா அது சிங்கிள், கொஞ்சம் நிறைய ஒரு 2-3 பூல இருந்து வந்துச்சு ஒரே ஃப்ரூட் வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அது வந்து aggregate. அண்ட் மல்டிபிள்னா ஒரே ஃப்ரூட் தான், ஆனால் அதுக்குள்ளே நிறைய ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் லைக் ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட், custard apple நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, அது எல்லாமே come under a multiple. So thank you my dear children, you all enjoy this classes, right? In the description we have added self assessment, question bank and subject material. Go through it and self assess yourself.